Today, I'll show you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. If annoying windows keep appearing while you browse, the good news is that Chrome has a built-in pop-up blocker. Google says Chrome blocks pop-ups by default, but you can still turn the setting on or off, and you can also allow or block pop-ups for specific sites when needed. If you're using Chrome on a computer, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and then tap or click Pop-ups and Redirects. Google says this is the main place where you change the default pop-up setting in desktop Chrome. To disable pop-ups, choose the option that blocks sites from sending pop-ups and using redirects. Now, if you're using an Android phone, open Chrome, tap the three dots, then go to Settings, Site Settings, and pop-ups and redirects. Google says you can turn pop-ups and redirects off there to block pop-ups in Chrome on Android. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, the steps are a little different. Open Chrome, tap More, then Settings, then Content Settings, and open Block Pop-ups. Google says you can turn block pop-ups on or off there. So if your goal is to stop pop-ups, make sure that blocker is turned on. There's also another useful option. If one trusted website needs pop-ups to work properly, Chrome lets you allow that site without opening pop-ups everywhere. Google says that on desktop, when a pop-up is blocked, you can click the blocked pop-up icon in the address bar and choose to always allow pop-ups from that site. On iPhone and iPad, Google says you can open the blocked page and tap Always Show for that site. One more thing to remember is that some pop-up-like interruptions are actually notifications, not normal pop-ups. Google says that if you still get messages from a site after blocking pop-ups, you may need to block that site's notifications separately in Chrome settings. Google also notes that if pop-ups continue even after changing the setting, malware could be part of the problem. And that's how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.